How to open Revolut account online. First of all, go to the Play Store or App Store. Install Revolut mobile banking app. After installing the application, interface will be look like this. In the bottom, we will find create an account option. So we need to click on it. Now, first of all, you need to click here and select your country from which country you want to open your account. And after that, you need to enter your mobile number here. Now click on create account. Now they are asking, is this number correct? We will send you a confirmation code here. So we need to click on confirm. Now you are going to receive your 6-digit code on your mobile number. So you need to enter it here. Don't miss a bit. Get notified about your spending, security, wealth and market movements. If you want to receive your notification, then you need to click on enable post notification and allow the permission. Right now I'm going to click on not now. So now they are asking you to select country of residence. You can select your country from here, and after that we need to click on sign up securely. I hide my most of the details due to privacy issue. So now they are going to ask you about your first name, so enter your first name here. After that enter your last name here, and if you have any alias name then you can enter it here. This is optional, and also you need to make sure your name should match with your documents, and after that click on continue. So now they are asking you to verify your identity. You can verify your identity by documents. So I am going to select this option. So now they are going to ask you about your DOB, that means date of birth. So enter your month, date and year. After that we need to click on continue. So now you need to enter your home address. And also they are telling you your home address should match with your identity documents. Now enter your zip code here, street name or building name, and you need to enter your floor or unit number. After entering your address, click on continue. I hided my most of the informations due to privacy issue. Now you need to enter your email address here. In the bottom you will find continue option, so click on it. So after verifying your email address, they will ask you to create a passcode, and your passcode should be between 6 to 12 digit long. After creating passcode, click on next icon. Now they will ask you to confirm your passcode again for security purpose, and after that click on next icon. Now they are going to ask you about your citizenship. Are you a citizen of this country? I hide it due to privacy issue. If you have any another country citizenship, then you can click on no and add another country. If yes, then click on yes. So right now they are going to ask you pick an original document to upload. You can use your national ID card and as well as passport. Document types vary country to country. So after selecting your document type, you need to click on continue. Verify your identity. You can read all the privacy policy and the other things. Scroll down your screen. After scrolling down, you will find accept option. So we need to click on accept. Now you need to take front photo of your document. Make sure everything is clear. Blurry image is not allowed. So after taking correct photo, this green icon will be visible. That means your photo captured successfully. So now they are asking you make sure your documents are clear and visible. Now we need to click on submit. So now they are going to ask you to take a photo of your back of your document. You can use this button to take photos. So after uploading the photos, they will ask you to verify your identity by taking a selfie. We will compare this with your documents. Your face should be forward and make sure your eyes are clearly visible. Remove anything that covers your face. So after reading instructions, so this is little notice, your face and background will be captured during this process. Now we need to click on take selfie. Keep your face within the oval, and after that click on this button to take photo. Make sure your entire face is visible clearly, and now we need to click on upload photo. So right now they are asking you a genuine question. What do you want to use Revolut for? You can use your everyday needs just like transfers, scheduling payments, professional account, metal card, cashback and budgeting, and many more options are available here. You need to select as per your preference, and now we need to click on continue. Tailor your Revolut experience. See better in-app suggestions and a customized experience based on your activity. So now we need to click on continue. So now they are asking allow Revolut to track your activity across other companies, apps and websites. If you want, then you can click on allow. If not, then you can simply click on ask app not to track. So now this is really very important step. They are asking you to select a plan. They have a standard plan, premium plan and metal plan. In the standard plan, you will get basic things. You can read top features and you can click on get standard on us. They also have a premium plan. In the premium plan, you need to pay $10 per month and first month is free. You can read your top features and you can also claim your offer. And this is a metal plan. In this plan, you need to pay $20 per month and you will get many features. You can read it. So right now I'm going to select a metal plan. So I'm going to click here. And you can also save $40 with the annual billing. If you want to pay annually, then it's completely your choice. If not, then it's your choice. So right now I'm going to click on maybe later. So this is your card, you are going to receive this card and you can also customize your card. You can select your card color from here, made from stainless steel. So right now I'm going to click on get metal card for free. So now they are going to ask you to create a pin for your Revolut card. This pin is going to use for your debit card. So create your pin here and now they are going to ask you to confirm your pin. This is for your security. Home address. We will only deliver to your registered home address. If you want to edit your address, then you can click on edit to your address. Right now, I am going to click on confirm home address. This is your checkout. I will recommend you to read this carefully. If you are happy with the charges, then you can click on pay later. So this is the home interface of Revolut account. Here you can see your Revolut amount here and here is the option of card and stocks. Once you receive your physical card, then you need to click on cards. You can also get a free virtual card to use online. Once you receive your physical card, then you can click on activate card and you need to make sure to match this last 4 digit which I hide it due to privacy issue with your physical card. Once you receive your card, then you can click on active now and enter the details to active your card. And after that, you can enjoy your Revolut account.